Love the golden age of cartooning? Dream of drawing like the greats, but want to work digitally? Now you can. Welcome to Drawing a Cartoon Character, part of Mastering Cartooning in Affinity Designer, a complete retro-inspired journey into the art of digital cartooning. Using both iPad and desktop, we'll dive into the tools and techniques to create professional level cartoons, all vector-based, scalable and packed with personality. This course is built on the legendary Famous Artist Cartoon course, updated with the power and flexibility of Affinity Designer and inspired by the modern workflows of RetroSupply tutorials and others. I'll guide you through designing characters, posing, inking, colouring, and building scenes that pop with style and humour. Whether you're just starting out or refining your cartooning style, this course gives you everything you need to build confident, compelling cartoon art. Join us today and bring your characters to life. One line, one laugh, one layer at a time.